Alright, let's look at the homework 4.7, problem number 1. Alright, so we want to build a square box, but the volume is kept at 4,000 cubic centimeters, and then we want to minimize the amount of material. Alright, so if you open up this open box to a flat piece of material, then it would look like that. Then we know that the bottom piece is, I'm going to call it the x by x, so area is x squared. And each side piece is going to be x times y, so it's just xy. Right? So volume requirement, so volume is just x times y, so it's x squared y, which is kept at 4,000. Right? Then the area we want to minimize, A, is going to be, so the bottom piece is x squared, and you have 4 side pieces, so it's a 4 times xy. Right? But we don't want to deal with 2 variables, so I'm going to use the first equation and solve for y. So I'm going to divide through by x squared. We get y is equal to 4,000 over x squared. Right? Then we're going to plug this guy. So plug this guy right in here. Right? So that we get, so area function is just x squared plus, right? So x and x cancel out. So then you have 4 times 4,000. So 16,000 over x. Right? So that's the area function, and we want to minimize this, so we want to minimize this function. Alright, so let's look at the critical number. So we want to find a prime with respect to x. That would be 2x, and minus 16,000 over x squared. So that's the derivative, and I'm going to set that equal to 0. So we get, right, I'm going to add 16,000 over x squared. So we get 2x is equal to 16,000 over x squared. Right? Then I'm going to divide through by 2. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that. Divide through by 2. So that will cancel with cancel 2, and this becomes 8,000. All right. Then multiply both sides by x squared. We get x cubed is equal to 8,000. Right. Then we can just take the cube root of both sides to get x equals 20. Right. So we want x to be 20, and the y can be found. So y is equal to 4,000 divided by 20 squared. So it's going to be 400, right? Which is going to be 10, right? So we want x to be, so size of the base is 20, height is 10. Right? So let's type it in. We have 20 and 10. Right? Let's check the answer. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.